What is going on, squad? So exciting news today. We have our own Patreon. Now, why do I say we and not I? I've been watching people's YouTube videos for a very long time, as I'm sure you have as well. And I've always been kind of like, when they're like, hey, come support me on my Patreon. Come support me, me. And from a viewer, at me as the viewer watching these other YouTubers, I was kind of like, okay, I mean, I get it, but what's in it for me, the person giving you money? So yes, I do want to support. Like if my friend started a car wash and I've been going to another car wash, I'm going to go to my friend's car wash. Of course, I want to support my boy. But at the same time, it's like, you still want to know. I think it's kind of human. Okay, so y'all get what I'm trying to say, right? So my point, I wanted to make it so that if there was anyone that joined the No Limit Squad Patreon, I really want them to get the best value. All right, so there's 3 levels, the $1, the $3, and the $5 option. There's a link down below. You can check out all the details. You do get different perks per tier. I'm still learning Patreon. But no matter what, I wanted to make sure that this is the #1 perk you get no matter which tier you pick. So I decided to match every dollar up to half. So if somebody donates $1 a month, I'm going to take 50 cents of that and I'm going to put it towards a pool. When that pool reaches $500, I will take that $500 and purchase an Isochain. And then I'm going to use, like those random selector things like, hey, out of all the Patreons, list of No Limit Patreon patrons, right? I'm still new to this, sorry. It'll be like, okay, it randomly does it. Joe7789 has won the Isochain. So then I'll reach out to Joe, get their email. I'll ship the Isochain over to them. I don't care where they live. I'll ship it to them. I'll eat the cost. It's not a big deal. All right. And that's it. Like, let's get these Isochains in people's hands. You got to experience it. No matter what level on Patreon, even if you're $1 a month, you still have access to that. So for example, once we hit $1,000, it doesn't matter about $1,000 a month. I don't care about when it happens. If it takes 5 months to hit $1,000, the point is each time, not just once, each time we hit $1,000, I'm going to take half of that money, $500, purchase an Isochain, and then I'm going to use the random generator software, and it's going to find one of the patrons in the list of No Limit Squad patrons, and they are going to get an Isochain. I'm super excited. Let's get these Isochains into people's hands, guys. So excited. I hope to see you soon. A link to the Patreon is going to be down in the description box of this video and every single YouTube video moving forward. I'm going to make a community post about it too. Excited. See you guys there. Peace.